is the relation between Pakistan and Korea improve. Pakistan has an embassy in South Korea and South Korea has an embassy in Pakistan, capital of Pakistan, Islamabad, and both have good relation to each other. Regarding this, Korea Pakistan Culture Day 2024 held at Liaquat Gymnasium Sports Complex on 23rd October in Pakistan. This program organized by Korean Embassy, Ministry of Information and Prime Minister Youth Program. The chief guest was Rana Mashoud, Minister for Youth Program, and the special guest was Ataullah Tahir, Federal Minister for Information, and Ambassador South Korea, Mr. Park Ki-jun.
To both the Korean and Pakistani artists who have worked hard for today's performances. Additionally, I am truly grateful to all audiences here today. Given that Korea and Pakistan are friendly countries, they share several common values and goals.
On this occasion were present. The program was started with the national anthem on both the countries. After that, the youth of Pakistan showed the Taekwondo various skills in which gymnastics, breaking were specially included. But a sport like Taekwondo could not create confidence in Pakistani players here too, and self-confidence was not seen in Pakistani players on Culture Day but seen in dance and music, which is not our culture. On this occasion of Culture Day, the Korean players looked more confident and organized. They received a great applause for their great performance by the Federal Minister for Information, Ataullah Tahir. The Korean martial arts player surprised to everyone with a brilliant back circle kicking to breaking tile performance. Breaking, self-defense, and surprise sudden attack on how to counter it technique were demonstrated to a standing ovation from the audience. Best Taekwondo Kata presented by Korean martial art player on the Culture Day. Unbelievable breaking breaks demonstrated by the Korean martial arts player, in which they showed that how much they fought in physical health. Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting Ataullah Tahir met the Korean players and Korean players present a shield to him. Korean players showed in their demonstration and proved that they how much perfect and professional in their physical activities. A body rhythm with music was excellent. Leader of Journalist Panel Afzal Bhatt and President National Press Club Azhar Chitoi were also present on this occasion. At the end, various provisional dances of Pakistan were presented on the occasion of Culture Day, and finally the program ended in a beautiful manner by hosting the flag of both the countries.